Mga Lods, Dodong Bisdak is here. I plan to travel all America and Canada with my motorhome. Samahan ninyo ako sa aking journey.
Good morning mga Lodi. Kakagising ko lang. Nandito ako nakapark sa, tingnan natin yung view. Nag-overnight ako dito sa parking lot. Surprise ito mga bossing. Ang ganda. Hindi ko pa ito nakita. First time. Oh shit. Sorry for the bad words. Super excited na ako. Oh my goodness. Look at that mga busing. Ganda. Golden Gate Bridge mga busing sa labas. Early in the morning. May tao pa. Off natin. Ayan, may tao sa labas. Dito ako natutulog mga busing. Road yan oh. Yan, may tao. Nagbi-video. Tingnan natin in front. Tingnan natin in front. Pasigain muna natin. Ano ba pasigain sa Tagalog? Turn on muna natin yung ilaw. Okay. Excited! Okay, tingnan natin. Tingnan natin mga busing. Ting ting ting. Oh, busing, nabosang. Holy crap. Is this heaven or what? Look at that. The entire Golden Gate Bridge. The iconic Golden Gate Bridge at the front. Wow! Ang rami ng tao sa labas mga busing. See there. Kagabi ako lang mag-isa dito. Ngayon rami ng tao. Beautiful. Labas tayo mga busing. Hello. Very nice view. Nice bike too. Look at the view mga Lodi. Morning.
Shout out time mga Lodi. This place is much closer to my heart. I spend more time in this state than any other city in the USA. Shout out to Norma GNV Vlog from Seattle, Washington.
Ano sa tingin nyo mga Lodi? Ha? Pili na kayo ng van! I-sold out yung bahay nyo! There you go. That's
Yet
it for today.
another episode of Dodong Bisdak mga Lods. We have traveled from Washington State to Oregon, Oregon to California, and we made a stopover in Sacramento, the capital city of California, and now we are in San Francisco, California. Another shout out to April Opiniano from Santa Rosa, Laguna. This is what we have covered so far mga idol in terms of distance versus our plan. Hindi pwede mag-start ng araw mga idol na hindi mag-coffee muna. So this is the first thing that I need to do every morning. Inopen ko na yung sliding door mga busing para ma-jelly yung kapitbahay ko sa coffee ko na very freshly brewed. Pero kung gusto nila mahingi, magbigay naman ako, walang problema. This is a good conversation starter. I'm sure I can give this to them for $5 per cup. Ang ganda talaga ng Golden Gate Bridge mga lodi. Kapag pumunta kayo dito, make sure you need to reserve at least 2 to 3 days. Kasi bihira lang mapikita tong Golden Gate Bridge. Kasi naturally yung San Francisco is a foggy place. So you need to have at least 2 to 3 days. In case hindi nyo makita ng one day, meron kayong 2 to 3 days na reserve. Para mag-double jealous talaga yung neighborhood ko na nakapark. Doon ako nagkape sa labas with matching Spanish bread from Star Bread. At ang sarap ng magkape ng may magandang background na Golden Gate Bridge. Tinitingnan ko yung oras mga lods because I am starting a job just few weeks ago. So I need to start working. Ito na yung work location ko for the day mga lodi. I just need a laptop and internet. Pwede na. Go na. I could get a job sooner mga lodi, pero maangas ako konti eh. Gusto ko at my term. So yung employer needs to make sure that it's within my term. And my term is I need to travel. So para makontinue natin ang travel natin to Toronto. It's about afternoon mga lods, and I was staring at the computer mga lods for a few hours, so I decided to go out. And when I go out, ito yung nakikita ko. First time kong nakita na may cargo ship na dumaan sa ilalim ng Golden Gate Bridge. Napakagandang tingnan. I am about to move out mga lods because it's already 4:30 p.m. Hindi gaya sa Pilipinas na yung sunset is around 5:45 or 6 p.m. Dito mga lods, kapag winter, yung sunset is around 4:30. So dark na. However mga lods, I did edit some video and didn't realize that's already 9 p.m. So I need to eat some food, so I decided to try to find some Jollibee in San Francisco. As per Wikipedia mga lods, yung Daly City is highest concentration of Pinoy outside Philippines. Daig pa ito yung Dubai. So ang raming Pilipino dito mga lods. I'll just assume na kung may Asian akong magkita dito, it's gonna be Filipino.
Hello. Are you guys still open?
Yes, sir.
Gotta have a bucket meal. Is there any discount for newcomers in Daly City?
Which medical?
Can I have a... what's the choices that you have in there?
Well, there's one A through C, So A, burger stick down the back. Letter B.
Just a chicken?
No
no
there's
meal?
a 6-piece with 2 sides and 2 things.
Oh, can I have the 10-piece, please?
Just a bucket of chicken.
What's that?
Just a chicken, right?
Just a chicken.
Alright, what else?
Yan lang po. I'm expecting you understand Filipino, right?
Oh,
Okay, very good. Perfect. That's pretty fast. Faster than in the Philippines. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Okay mga lods, nandito na yung Jollibee ko. See? Woo! Look at their boxes are just a normal carton box. But I rather have that and a lot of gravies. They put a lot of gravies. And look at that. Chicken, it's 10-piece chicken. And even that boxes is not a Jollibee box. But their serving is super fast. I was super surprised that they are working it so fast. So it's time for me to eat. Okay, I'm done changing my pants. Now it's time to go out. Ready, get set, 1, 2, 3, go. Oops, it's not working. There you go. There you go, mga lodi. Woohoo! So, the weather app said that it's gonna be 7:16 the sunrise, but it is a foggy day today, as you can see. Let's go closer to the harbor. Ang ganda ng view mga lods, pero sa nakita nyo, yung visibility is very foggy. Pumunta ako sa loob mga lods where the boats are getting parked para makita ko in actual kung anong experience ng merong boat. Hello mga lodi, I hope you can see me. It's very cool. Well, literally cool or cold. It looks like this can be a good sleeping place, sleeping quarter. You know, the boat, it's bigger than the RV inside. It looks like. Come on, let's go back. After work mga lodi, I decided to just walk and explore the city, and this is the view. By the way mga lodi, this city is called Sausalito, California. It is located in northern side of the Golden Gate Bridge, around 10 to 15 minutes away from Golden Gate Bridge mga lods. So if you wanted to go to Golden Gate Bridge, it would be better to visit Sausalito City as well. This area mga lods is called Marina, and this is where the boat are docked. So there's a parking lot from lot 1 to 4. If you want to save a little bit money, do lot number 4 because it's only $2 per hour. Here in lot 1 it's around $4.
One of the major attraction dito sa San Francisco mga lodi is yung Silicon Valley. For those who doesn't know what is Silicon Valley mga lodi, ito yung mga headquarters ng mga big companies dito sa US. Gaya ng Google, Facebook, YouTube at Apple. Ubos na naman yung propane gas ko mga lods. Let's refill first before moving forward. Napakaganda ng mga bridges dito sa San Francisco mga lods. So I promised myself to cross all or at least these 3 bridges in San Francisco. The first bridge that we are crossing mga lods is called Richmond Bridge. This is just north of Golden Gate Bridge. First on the list in Silicon Valley mga lods is the yours truly, yung magbibigay natin ng potential income in the future. No other than mga lods, YouTube. Yung mga headquarters dito sa Silicon Valley mga lodi, including YouTube, they don't belong to only one building. They are composed of many buildings. Gaya nito sa YouTube mga lodi, it is known to be a Cherry Road, 1000 Cherry Road. So yung strip ng Cherry Road is all about YouTube buildings. It's already end of the day mga lodi, and it's time for me to get a hotel, you know, and I need to get a best hotel that I could get, at least in the parking lot. Look at the beauty of the hotel mga lods. It looks really nice.
Hello mga lods! Special day ngayon mga lods, kasi nandito ko sa San Francisco, sa Silicon Valley. Alam niyo siguro anong Silicon Valley, no? So pupunta tayo kang Uncle Mark Zuckerberg. Sabi niya doon lang daw sa labas maghintay sa tugkaran kasi dito pwede mo suon. Pupunta tayo sa yung signage nila, yung malaki, yung Facebook. Nakapunta na ako dati doon para makita nyo rin. Pupunta tayo again. Punta din tayo kang late Uncle Steve Jobs. So punta tayo Apple. Then sabi niya sa labas ra din. Kasi hindi pwede mapasok. Dahil nandito na tayo sa Silicon Valley, punta din tayo sa Google at the same time. Hello mga lods, nakapark na tayo. Nandito na tayo.
Let's cross.
So ito na mga bossing, malapit na tayo. So dati mga bossing, Facebook yung nakalagay nito. Ngayon pinalitan na nila ng Meta. Ito mga bossing, oh, Meta, one hacker way.
Yeah.
Where's it for?
What?
What are you recording for?
For
There's no
Facebook.
recording in this area.
There's no recording this area.
There's no recording allowed.
Just photo.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I'm not 100% sure that recording is not allowed mga lods, but this is not our property, so we need to obey. Yung kuha ko sa GoPro mga lods outside hindi masyadong maganda, so ginawan ko ng paraan. So I want to mount the GoPro outside para mas maganda yung view niya. So ito na yun mga lods. Tinest ko muna mga lods kung saan ko ilagay. So yung requirement is hindi ma-reach ng kahit sino baka kunin yung GoPro ko while I'm parking. I have decided to put it on my passenger side mga lodi para makita niyo naman yung view sa right side kapag nadadrive ko. Ito na yung final result niya mga lodi. Meron namang app yung GoPro mga lodi, so ma-turn on ko siya and off through phone. Okay mga lods, ito na yung final result. Look. So sold na. Yan. Ito rin yung video result niya. So napakaganda mga lods. Naka-camouflage din siya konti mga lods kasi yung awning ko is black. Parang hindi makikita. Nilagyan ko rin ng wire mga lods. Marami akong power bank dito na hindi nagagamit eh. So yung wiring niya dito naka-wire. Yan lang. Simple lang. Ito sa loob. Nilagay ko lang yung power bank dyan. Ito yung wire niya. So hindi perfect yung design niya mga lods. So every night I need to get out and get the GoPro kasi dangerous eh. Pwede siyang makabot. I don't know what's kabot in Tagalog, but it can be rich. So I need to take it off every night, bring it inside. So in terms naman kung paano ko ma-trigger, may app naman yung GoPro na i-trigger ko from app through my phone para mag-play at mag-stop. I need to clean up this first mga loads kasi hindi pwedeng may loose yung RV. Kailangan nakatali or nakatuck-in, baka madisgrasya tayo. It's time for us to go mga loads. Let's go to Google headquarters. So masubukan natin, matest natin yung resulta ng GoPro na nakamount sa labas. Tingnan natin kung maganda ba. Anong sa tingin nyo mga lods? I feel that this is way improved than before mga lods. So we will have much clarity sa labas. From now on, much better video na mga lods. Wala na tayong ibang gawin pa mga lods kundi pumunta ng Google headquarters. So naka-exit na ako sa freeway, then paliko na patungong Google. Ito yung Google bus na ginagamit sa employee, double decker. Looks really nice. So pagdating ko dito mga lods, I realized na this is for employee only. This is not a place that I can just go inside. May barrier. So humanap ako ng lugar na pwede kong makapark. So ang ginawa ko, kasi malaki yung complex ng Google, I'll just drive around and finally I was able to find a parking lot mga loads on my right side. So kita mo may mga parking lot dyan, may mga sasakyan. So tiningnan ko, open naman siya for public. So dyan ako nakapark.
go mga lods. Sabi nila meron dong pera sa basura. Tingnan natin.
Wala namang laman mga busing, so lagyan na lang natin ng laman. Kasi akala ko ba rich kid tong mga taga Google, lagyan niya ng pera yung basurahan nyo, walang laman. I-include nyo yung 100 barrel sa basura ha. Check muna natin yung fountain nila mga busing, kung meron bang tubig gumagana ba. Hindi ba pareho sa Pilipinas, pang display lang. Meron namang tubig. Hala, may bike mga busing, yung Google bike. Hindi pwedeng dalhin ha, pwede lang gamitin. Ang gaan niya mga busing, parang aluminum. Magkano kayo yung kilo ng aluminum ngayon mga busing? Behave tayo mga busing, may magandang dadaan. Ganda dito mga busing, may daanan para sa tao, may sa bisikleta din. Ganda dito mga busing. Ito yung Google Store nila. Mas maganda dito, ang laming aluminum. Bisikleta pala. Meron silang Google Store dito mga lods. So ang ganda niya mga lods. Tingnan mo. Napaka modern yung design. Kasi baga akog naong mga lods, pinasok ko na rin. Tiningnan ko sa loob. Wala namang naglikramo. Ito na yun mga lods. Maraming mga tourist dito mga lods, iba-iba yung salita, may Chinese, mayroon ding European na language na hindi ko alam kung ano, pero napaka-friendly ng mga staff. Meron silang lounge area dito mga lods, ang ganda, pwede kang mag-relax dito for a few minutes. Kaso relax na ako, so hindi na magre-relax uli, so patuloy lang. Dito din mga lods, makikita mo yung lahat ng phone na may Android, klase-klase na Google phone. Ito din mga lods is yung gift area nila. So gaya nito, may Google hat, ang ganda. Meron din silang mga mug dito mga lods, t-shirt, kung ano-ano na souvenir, yung bike na miniature version meron din. Pero hindi ako nagpatintan mga lods, wala akong binili kahit isa. Ito naman mga lods, may sculpture sila dito mga lods in the same building. Ang gandang tingnan, hindi ko alam kung ano to, pero maganda siyang tingnan. Punta kayo dito kapag may time mga lods, ang ganda dito. Yung last ko na ginawa mga lods is mag-post sa Google na signage with a bike. Magpahinga tayo ng konti kasi kapoy magsikat-sikat mga lods. Nag-try ako manglimos mga lods, pero parang walang magbibigay dito kasi napaka mingaw, walang tao dito mga lods. Oras nang umuwi mga lods, at soli na natin yung bike, baka magdilim pa yung isip ko.